When it comes to finding the top BIM company in HBR Layout, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a leading player in the industry. With their expertise in building information modeling, BIM, services, SCON Design has established a strong reputation for delivering high-quality and innovative solutions to their clients. As a top BIM company, they have a track record of successfully completing numerous projects in the HBR layout area, making them a trusted choice for architectural firms, construction companies, and real estate developers. One of the reasons why SCON Design is considered a top BIM company is their commitment to providing comprehensive and customized BIM services. They understand that each project is unique and requires a tailored approach. With their team of experienced professionals, they offer a wide range of BIM services including 3D modeling, clash detection, quantity takeoff, construction documentation, and virtual reality simulations. Their expertise in these areas allows them to provide accurate and detailed models that help streamline the design and construction process. SCON Design's focus on quality and attention to detail sets them apart from other BIM companies in HBR Layout. They have a stringent quality control process in place to ensure that all deliverables meet the highest industry standards. Their team of skilled BIM professionals undergoes regular training and stays up to date with the latest advancements in technology and software tools. This enables them to deliver accurate and reliable BIM models that help clients make informed decisions throughout the project lifecycle. As a top BIM company in HBR Layout, SCON Design also prides itself on its ability to collaborate effectively with clients and project stakeholders. They understand the importance of clear communication and work closely with their clients to understand their goals and requirements. When it comes to choosing the top BIM company in HBR Layout, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a leader in the industry. With their expertise and experience in building information modeling, BIM, they have established themselves as a trusted partner for architectural and construction projects. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd excels in providing innovative solutions that help streamline the design and construction process, resulting in cost savings and improved efficiency. As a top BIM company, SCON Design understands the importance of staying up to date with the latest technology and industry trends. They invest heavily in research and development to ensure that they are at the forefront of BIM innovation. Their team of highly skilled professionals is well-versed in the latest software and tools, allowing them to deliver high-quality BIM services to their clients. One of the key factors that sets SCON Design apart from other BIM companies is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They work closely with their clients to understand their specific needs and requirements, tailoring their services accordingly.